How's it going? Another busy week here at Rindt. We've made a start. This is going to be a Safari 944, so we've made a start. All the bodywork's done on it, and then basically going to make a start on all the fabrication work. So it's going to have quite a lot of custom touches: roof rack, bull bars, jacked up suspension. So yeah, it's going to be quite a fun one. This little gem's arrived. This is a nice little early right-hand drive 356. Again, bodywork on it's not great, so we've got to strip that back and see what's hiding under there. That's going to be a fun one for the metal guys. I'm sure they're looking forward to it. Cornel is here. What are we up to on this one? So it's a custom bootleg. We're fabricating in the grille. We've already fabricated the scoop on that, which is quite cool. So Cornel's cutting up one of his own creations already, which I'm not sure he's happy about.
Yeah, I've been a bit busy these days to finish this car, and that was the second option for someone else to finish this bootleg. But considering that is my car, is what I am doing, what I am working on for such a long time, well, I think it's fair enough for me just to finish it. I consider this project like, well, it's like my own. So yeah, I choose the option. Just I have to deal with every detail on this car. Yeah, it's like my job, my car.
Little's making a start on the 944 fab work over there. What else have we got? So the underside of this one's been painted this week. That one's ready. We're going to flip that one back over and get it off of the rotisserie, and then we can make a start on the outside filler work and prep and all the rest of it. Get that ready for paint soon. And then this one here is the car that Ludo's just finished last week. So we've cleaned up all the bodywork on it and then got it into epoxy to seal it. And now we can start our prep work, and then any little small filler work that they're doing will get done. And then it's getting ready for paint, which is going to be bright green, which I'm quite looking forward to. Splash of colour. So in the booth, what we've got, the panels, these are the panels for the silver car that's upside down over there. So again, we'll leave these to dry, come back in tomorrow, flip that car over, get the panels bolted back on, and then that's us. We can start the bodywork on it and get it ready. So yeah, that's us. That's another busy week at Rindt, and I'm sure you'll see the difference next week when we do another video. And yeah, hopefully there'll be a lot more progress.